me dear students. So today we'll discuss electric current and its effect. This is standard 7 and science. Okay. So today we'll see all question answer from your book one by one. So time to answer also and textbook question also, question answer also. Okay. So first, time to answer, fill in the blanks. A combination of cell is called dash. So battery. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. The unit of resistance is ohm. And a dash is a device used to open a closed circuit, a switch. And a dash E number. Dash are substances which allow current to pass through them, conductors. Okay. So then next, time to answer the following questions. So first is MCB. What is an MCB? MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. Question number B. Overloading occurs when an extremely large amount of current passes through a wire which was not intended to take that much load. Then question number C. What is heating element? Appliances like electric iron, room heater and immersion rod have a coil of high resistance which is made of nichrome. It is mainly used to generate heat by using electric energy and hence called heating element. So nichrome. Okay. Then question number D. What is the relationship between the heat produced and resistance of the material? When other factors remain constant, higher the resistance, more is the heat produced. Question number E. What is an electric fuse? An electric fuse is a safety device which works on the heating effect of current. It breaks the electric circuit if there is an excessive flow of current in the circuit. This prevents a possible electric fire and prevents damage to electric appliances used. The next time to answer is your true and false. So now we'll see the true false time to answer. Okay, this is your last time to answer. So first is an electric bell works on the heating effect of electric current. False. Electromagnets are also used in medical science. True. If the number of coils of wire wound around a soft iron rod are increased, the strength of a magnetic effect is also increased. True. When electric current is passed through a conducting wire, it behaves like a magnet. True. Electromagnets are used in washing machine. True. Then come to your textbook question answer. This is multiple choice question. First, electric current will not pass through distilled water. Okay, this is option 3, distilled water. The next question, with the increase in current intensity, the magnitude of magnetic field increase, magnitude of magnetic field remains the same, none of this. So when जब करंट क्या करता है ना, इंक्रीज होता है, इसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंक्रीज होता है. ऑप्शन आई, अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्लेमिंग्स रूल. बट स्टिल नाउ यू मतलब आप लोग अभी फ्लेमिंग्स रूल का जो राइट हैंड रूल और लेफ्ट हैंड रूल, इसको आप 10th क्लास में पढ़ोगे. अभी के लिए बस इतना है, जितना है बस उतना ही याद रखो. Then question number C. The working of a fuse is based on dash. Heating effect. Then D. Which of the following appliances does not use an electromagnet, room heater. The resistance of a fuse wire is dash. High, low and high, high. A material used to make an electromagnet is a soft iron bar. A soft iron bar. Fill in the blanks. Dash was the first to notice the deflection in the compass needle when current was passed through the wire kept close to the compass. Hans Christian Oersted. Then question number B. For electric current to flow, the things that are essential are a cell, an unbroken path, and a dash. Conductor. Question number C. A cylindrical coil consisting of a large number of turns of insulated wire is called a dash. Solenoid. D. A or an dash is a safety device which breaks the electric circuit if there is an excessive flow of current in the circuit. Electric fuse. The filament in a bulb is made of dash metal. Tungsten metal. The full form of MCB. Miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker. True, false. Question number 3. Question number 3. So conductors have high resistance. False. A fuse wire breaks when the circuit is overloaded. True. The amount of heat produced in a wire due to heating effect of electric current depends on the resistance of wire. True. Magnetism of an electromagnet only lasts till the current is passed through it. True. The magnetic strength of a conductor decreases with the increase in current. False. The strength of a magnetic field produced by a coil depends on the number of turns of the wire. True. ये true है F number. Okay. Then come to the question number 4. So observe the figures given below केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन. सो यहाँ पे जो फिगर दिया गया है मतलब कि तुम्हारा बुक में, तो इसका आंसर देना है. ए का फिगर में क्या होगा और बी के फिगर में क्या होगा. सो ए का फिगर में क्या होगा ना, ए स्ट्रॉन्गर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट एज इट हैज़ मोर कॉयल दैन द अदर देन. मतलब कि ये क्या है ना, जो ए का जो है आप लोग देख सकते हैं इसमें राउंडिंग ज़्यादा है, मतलब कि जो कॉयल है ज़्यादा है और इसमें थोड़ा कम है. तो स्ट्रॉन्गर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट is the flow of electric charge called? The flow of electric charge is called electric current. Then question number B, what is used to open and close an electric circuit? Switch is used to open and close an electric circuit. Question number C, what is a battery? A combination of cells is called a battery. D, what is the heating element of electric iron made of? The heating element of electric iron made of nichrome, an alloy of nickel, chromium and iron. Then E, name the 3 types of wires present in an electric circuit. The 3 types of wires present in an electric circuit are the live wire, the neutral wire and the earth wire. Question number 6. Define electric circuit. The complete path through which electric current moves is called electric circuit. Question number B. On what factor does the strength of an electromagnet depend? The number of turns of the coil and the strength of the electric current flowing through it are the factors on which the strength of an electromagnet depends. What do you understand by overloading? Overloading is caused When an extremely charged amount of current is drawn through a wire which is not thick enough to carry that much current, this may happen when too many electrical appliances are connected to a single socket. This can lead to overheating and electric fire. Then question number D is, why are MCBs preferred over electric fuse? So, MCB or miniature circuit breakers are being used in place of fuse, as these are switches that turns off automatically when current in the circuit exceeds the safe limit. When the fault in the circuit is corrected, the MCB can be reset to the on position and the circuit get completed once again. Then long answer type questions. So first is distinguish between conductors and insulators. So first is conductors. So conductors and insulator we can differentiate. So conductor and insulator. So first point is substances which allow electric current to pass through them are called conductors. So substance which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulators. So इसको हम पहले से जानते हैं. So next point, all metals and graphite are example of conductors. So यहाँ पे wood and plastics are example of insulators. Plastics such as bakelite are widely used for making electrical items. Then question number B, what are the benefits of CFLs over electric bulbs? CFL do not work on the principle of a heating effect of electric current, so little electrical energy is wasted in the form of heat. CFL produce more light than electric bulbs for the same amount of electricity consumption. CFLs can be fixed in ordinary bulb holders that are used for electric bulbs. These consumes less electricity and last longer than ordinary bulb. सो ऑर्डिनरी बल्ब जनरेट मोर हीट, मतलब कि ये हीट ज़्यादा पैदा करता है, मतलब कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी ज़्यादा लेगा. तो ये सी एफ एल क्या करता है ना, इसका जो प्रिंसिपल है हीटिंग इशूज़, मतलब कि क्या होता है सी एफ एल बल्ब जलने के बाद बहुत कम हीट होता है, नहीं तो बिल्कुल भी हीट नहीं होता है. तो इसके वजह से ये कम पावर लेता है, मतलब कि कम एनर्जी वेस्ट करता है. बट अभी तो हमारा एल ई डी आ गया सी एफ एल से भी कम, बहुत कम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में काम करता है एलईडी बल्ब्स. लाइट तो बहुत ज़्यादा देता है और काम भी बढ़िया करता है. सो देन बी कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. सो व्हाट इज एन मैग्नेट स्टेट इट्स यूज. ए मैग्नेट दैट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय पासिंग एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थ्रू ए कॉइल of insulated wire wound around a soft iron bar and a rod is called electromagnet. Then use of electromagnet. Electromagnets are used in electrical appliances like electric bells, electric fans, mixers, washing machines and so on. Electromagnets are used to separate magnetic materials like iron from metal scrap. Doctors use electromagnets to remove tiny iron particles which may have fallen into person's eyes accidentally. Electromagnets are used in medical science to cure certain ailments. Then D, explain how a short circuit occurs. Sometimes the leaf and neutral wires come in contact with each other. This may happen due to defective or damaged wire insulation. As a result, the resistance of the circuit becomes almost zero and a very large amount of current flows through it. This is called a short circuit. Short circuit may lead to overloading and electric fires. Then question number E, on which principle does an electric bell work? Explain its working. So an electric bell works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. It consists of an electromagnet, iron strip, hammer, gong and a switch. Working of an electric bell. So you just do this type of a figure in your copy white page, then write its working principle in a ruling page. When you press the switch of the bell, electric current flows into the electromagnet. The electromagnet attracts the iron strip and the hammer attached to the strip which hits the gong producing a sound. ये hammer है, ये gong है. आयरन स्ट्रिप ये है और स्क्रू इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. So when the iron strip has moved to the electromagnet, it no longer touches the screw, and the circuit breakers, just like a switch being turned off, the electromagnet now turns off and no longer attracts the iron strip. The next क्या होगा? The iron strip thus returns to its initial position, touching the screw again. This makes circuit complete and the current flows again. Due to this, electromagnet again develops a magnetic field and the iron strip attracted the hammer hits the gong again. So इस प्रिंसिपल में क्या करता है ना, बेल बजता है. All the above steps are repeated in quick succession as long as you keep the switch pressed. This makes the bell ring continuously. ये जो शॉर्ट पीरियड में ये सब काम होता है. तो इन तक है आज का सेशन. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. So till then, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.